Perufarma is a Peruvian company with over 53 years of experience in the market, specializing in the distribution of products in various categories: pharmaceuticals, personal care, food, beverages, and automotive items. It has 4 distribution centers, including this one, which handles over 40% of the total order volume.
This distribution center serves Perufarma's various channels: warehouses and markets, the traditional channel, the provinces, and the modern channel. Perufarma's operational complexity derives from the fact that over 50% of orders are managed by picking individual units. It is precisely to address this complexity that we rely on Modula, which supports unit picking, making our operations significantly more efficient. The Modula system, in fact, allows picking 3 times faster than with traditional shelving. Thanks to the Modula system, only one operator is needed for picking, as physical movements are significantly reduced. A further advantage of the Modula system is the improvement in inventory accuracy. Considering the complexity of unit picking, Modula contributes to a significant increase in productivity compared to an operator working with traditional shelving.
Perufarma has chosen to automate its operations with Modula to gain a competitive advantage in a market characterized by increasingly demanding customers. This choice translates into a significant reduction in order cycle time and an improvement in the level of service. Our inventory has an ERI index of 100%, as do our order fulfillment and customer service levels, both of which are 100%. For restocking, we rely on Modula WMS software, which tells us the quantities to be replenished. The restocking process is considerably simpler than with traditional shelving. The Modula warehouse is equipped with a series of visual supports that facilitate correct order management. The Alphanumeric Bar displays the product code, description, and batch, while the Copilot provides the same information and indicates exactly where to enter the order. This way, the operator doesn't have to make complex evaluations, and his work becomes faster and more efficient. For order consolidation, we use the put-to-light system, which allows you to visually confirm the completion of the picking. This allows each operator to know precisely where the order just handled is located.